Hello, friends, and welcome to another day of math. It's me, Miss Allen, and I'm super excited to be here with you this week. This week, we're doing lots of review, so be sure you have your thinking cap on and you are ready to get started. Let's go ahead and jump in. The very first thing we're going to be practicing is making number partners. The first number partners we're going to make, we are going to use this special friend. If you know me, you know that I love Frozen 2. It's one of my favorite movies ever. So we are going to use our little Olafs. I'm going to be putting a line in between some of the characters. We're going to be separating them into the number partners. I know that there are already 5 altogether. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my line. I think right here looks like a good place. And we're going to go ahead and count how many are on each side. 1, 2. Easy peasy. Let's count the other side. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now let's read the equation all together. We'll start here and then say what it equals. Ready? 2 plus 3 equals 5. Very good. Let's try another one. I'm going to draw my line, I think, here today. Alrighty, on the first side, I know there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy, I'm going to make a 4 plus 1 left. So the number partners for 5 are 4 and 1 makes 5. Let's read the equation. Remember, we read 4 plus 1 equals 5. Let's say it together. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Very good. Let's try this new example. This is a special Pokemon. He was my favorite Pokemon growing up. His name is Squirtle, and he's a water Pokemon. If I look here, I know there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 altogether. Here's your clue. I'm going to pick a color, and I'm going to draw my number partner line right there. Whisper to me, how many are on this side? 3. You got it. And how many are on this side? 3. Awesome job. Let's read the equation together. Ready? 3 plus 3 equals 6. Good work. Let's try one more example together. Let's go here. Alrighty. Again, I want you just to whisper to me how many are on this side. 5. Good work. There's my perfect 5. Ooh, that is a nice looking 5. And how many are on this side? Only 1. So the number partners for 6 are 5 and 1. Let's read the equation together. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Awesome job. All right, last example. Oh, this is my favorite page. Look at these cutest ever puppies. Oh, I just want to kiss every single one of them on the top of their head. There are 10 puppies altogether. I just gave every single one of those 10 puppies a little smooch. I'm going to draw a line to show the number partners, and we are going to figure out those number partners together. There is my line. I want you to count in your brain and tell me how many are on this side. Did you get 7? That's how many I got too. And how many are over here? 3. Great work. So the number partners for 10 in this example are 7 and 3. Let's read the equation. 7 plus 3 makes 10. Very good. Let's try just one more. There we go. Alrighty, how many are on this first side? Did you say 4? Because you got it. And how many are on the second side? 6. The number partners of 10 puppies are 4 puppies and 6 puppies. Let's read the equation. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Awesome job. Oh, give those puppies one last kiss. Ah, I will miss them. I hope we see them again soon. Due date on your math workbook page, I am going to challenge you to write your first and your last name on the top. I always tell my friends in class that we need to continue to practice our first and last names because practice makes perfect. Even if we know how to write them, we can always get a little bit better. Remember, the first letter of your name is capital and the rest are all lowercase. Once you are done writing your first and last name, we are going to be completing the partner equation. They already did the first ones in each section as an example. We know that there are 3 dots in each rectangle altogether. 1, 2, 3. So they already wrote the 3 for you. They want you to write the number partners and add that plus sign in the middle. That's going to be really tricky. Lots of friends in the past, when they do this page, forget the plus sign. You're not going to be tricked. Don't forget to put the plus sign in between your number partners. So you can see the example. They wrote 2 because there's 2 blues colored in. And they wrote 1 because there's 1 extra. 2 plus 1 makes 3. I'm going to try this one with you. How many are colored in? 1. I am not going to be tricked. I'm going to add my plus sign right away. How many are not colored in? 2. Very good. So the number partners on this example are 1 plus 2. Awesome. Let's go ahead and try this section for 4. So they already wrote the 4s for you. There's 4 altogether. On the first one, they said there are 3 colored in, and there's 1 left empty. Let's try this one together. How many are colored in? I see 2. I am absolutely not going to forget that plus sign. I cannot be tricked. How many are not colored in? 2 more. The number partners on this one are 2 plus 2. I want you to try this one all by yourself. I know you can do it. Don't forget to add your plus sign. We are going to try this example with each other. They did the first one for you already. There's 5 altogether in that rectangle. They found the partners of 4 that are colored in, plus 1 that are not colored in to make 5. On this first example, how many do you see that are colored? I see 3. I can't be tricked. I'm going to add my plus sign. And I see how many are not colored in. 2 more. The number partners for this example are 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Try these last 2 all by yourself. Again, don't get tricked. Don't forget the plus sign. When you are ready, I want you to try doing the number partners for these examples. These all equal 6. Don't forget to add your plus signs. You're finding how many are colored in, plus how many are not colored in, to get all the way up to 6. Once you've done these examples, I want you to try finding the ones up to 10. These ones are going to be tricky. Make sure you're counting in all of the ones that are colored, and you're adding them to all of the ones that are not colored. Don't forget to add your sneaky plus sign in between every single one. You might have to write a little small to fit them on these lines, but I know that you can do it. Once you are done making all of your number partners on the front, flip it over to the back, and you are going to be working on addition. You are going to add the 2 numbers together and write your answer in these boxes. Try your best to do these in your brain, but if you need to use your fingers or some cubes, you can try. This whole entire page is addition. You'll notice there is a line right across the middle. That's your challenge line. The ones at the top are going to be a little bit easier. The ones underneath are going to be just a little bit of a challenge. But again, I know that you can do it, so just try your best. Your check for understanding says to complete the partner equation. It says 8 are all together. How many are colored in? Plus, how many are not colored in? I want you to fill in those 2 numbers and then send your teacher a picture of all of your hard work. Great job growing your brain today in math. Keep up the awesome job.